In part 4 of this lecture of the interior design of Revit, we will be focusing on the final touches of the ground floor of the structure. We started working on from the external modeling, which was completed while we had focused so far on placement of furniture, and then in this video we will be doing work on the finishing such as paint and then the rendering. Rendering will include the 3D figures and images of this structure's interior design. Let's start with placing the plantations in our structure. So I'm in the 3D view. Let's place the tree on the ground floor level. Let's see how the tree appears. The tree is sort of two-dimensional object, so to me personally it's not visually that appealing. We can always use the downloadable libraries of the Revit available online. So I'll try to import the plants other than the tree we already were using in the later part. Let's first place the lamps on the side drawer of the beds. In the section we will be able to see whether the lamp is at the right level, which it is not. So now it appears to be fine. Just place above the side drawer. But the lamp is slightly large, so I try to make the lamp size smaller. So far we are done placing the lamps in the structure. In order to speed up the modeling, you can turn off the realistic view to shaded view if you have a low configuration graphics card or other system requirements, which you can see on the Autodesk website. So now I'll be turning off visibility of the objects that are making my model heavy. The elements are there, but I have just make them hidden for time being. So I have imported this from the online Revit library. You can see this model. The link to download this model I have attached in the description. From there you can see or extract these all libraries I have used in my model. So you can download this model I am using in this video from the link in description. So I have added the poolside chair. Similarly, I'll be adding the other poolside chair as a copy of this one. But it will be important to adjust their level. As they appear to be a little bit higher than the platform of the pool. So I have turned the visibility in the shaded view so that the model runs smoothly. So now I am placing the plans which will be forming the exterior view, part of the exterior view. I have placed the empty pots. They can be filled with soil or artificial plants, as well as the custom plants of small size. Closing all the views that are not necessarily required right now. Now I'm placing the cameras in order to capture the perfect 3D views. The cameras plays an important role for the visibility and the geometry to be viewed in the renderings or the image outputs you require. Similarly, I did for the lounge. Now I'm looking to place the camera. Let's place it in the study room. The camera will be used for displaying the rendered images once rendering is done. So we have almost completed the ground floor placement of the furniture and other essential items from the rendering perspective and architectural point of view. You can use the same exercise to be done on the first floor of the structure. The download link to the structure is given in the description of this video. Consider that as a homework or practice exercise. So now I am painting the walls. So I rendered it in the basic options just for demonstration purposes. You can make the rendering as detailed as possible by adjusting the detailing requirements and use of a high-end graphic card or a better configuration graphic card. The rendering will be appear to be better. For the bedroom, I am painting the walls first and then I'll render it. For the living room, I like a brick appearance in the front when I walk in the corridor, so I have placed a bricked pattern on the front wall for the corridor walking. Similarly, the gypsum board on the roof, that can be termed as a false ceiling as well. Now for the study, I'll be painting the walls first. You can apply the paints in the whole model, but just to save time and for demonstration purposes, I am placing the paint only on the parts where the camera is placed, and we'll be checking in the rendered view appearance. So these are the rendered views. Check link in description for the model and contact us for more information regarding our